Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back, or welcome if you're coming for the first time to this channel. Today I'm going to be cash unstuffing my envelopes. I'm going to have this expense tracker here where I write the date and the expense and decide which category to pull it from if I don't have a assigned category. And we're going to pull the money to take back to the bank. So we're going to start with November 25th. I do this about every week. This is my first time really doing it on camera, so we'll see how it goes. But the first thing here is a donation in the amount of $50. Oops. And this is budgeted. So I'm just going to write budgeted here so that I know that I don't have to pull from this one. The next one we have is an Amazon bill on the same date. This was a spray that I bought because my daughter had an accident. So this is like a little enzyme spray. So we're going to be pulling this from the household category. And this was for what? $11.51. Next, we had a couple of things from Target because I needed some packaging supplies to send out an order. So that was 5, 6, 7, 8. We're just going to call that 9. Sometimes I do girl math here. And I'm not sure. I don't really have a business envelope, so we're going to have to decide which to pull this from. But maybe miscellaneous. I know we had some things in there. We have, let's see, the 26th. I had an ENT visit, so that's going to be coming from the medical bill, and that is for $40. I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. How's everyone doing? I hope you guys enjoyed time with family and friends. Okay, this next one is for this, oops, I don't think it has an E, but it's called Kiddle.com. I subscribed to this to try it out as I'm like creating things. To try out, I don't know, it like generates AI images and stuff like that, but I don't really like it. So I think I'm going to get rid of that. Well, I already canceled the subscription because I use Canva, and Canva has that Dream Lab now, which creates AI images, and it has the AI image generator. So I feel like with Canva, I have enough image generation. Like any image that I really want to create can be done in Canva. So this is already canceled, but I still need to pull from here. So also I don't know where to pull from this. So we're going to just put miscellaneous for now and we'll figure it out. Netflix was next, also on the 26th, and that is budgeted. So that one is good to go. And that one is only, what, like $7? $6.99, but $7. But again, we don't need to do anything with that. I also had, let's see, on the 25th, I did a Kroger delivery. So I need to pull from my cash wallet for that. Sometimes it's just easier. I don't know. I had a lot going on that day. So it's $45, and we'll pull that from groceries. Okay, we had an Apple bill for $3 on the 25th. I'm jumping around here. I don't know. Why did I say the 25th? I think these are, anyways, the 26th. And then on the 29th, I got some cute savings trackers from Etsy. So, we're again going to have to figure out which envelope to pull from for those. $16.35, maybe like my games, or I don't know, we'll see. Canva, also on the 29th, and this was budgeted for. And so this is for $15, and that was Canva Pro, but we planned for that, so that's wonderful. Okay, and that is it for this past week of spending. So let's see what we can do. So we need the household fund. I can't remember. I just rearranged my binder, so I can't remember where these envelopes are. Let's see, wellness, I guess. This is for the medical bill. So where is that one? Let's see. Okay, so 40. Oh, all I have is 50s. Okay, I'm going to pull a 50, and then we'll see if we can make some change to put a 10 back in here. Okay, so we'll put this away for now. And then let's cross this out or put a little check mark right here so that we know that we got it. What's in this one? Let's see. Oh no, this is my little holidays envelopes that I just made. These are in my Etsy store currently, but I'm not gonna preview them right now. Sinking funds. This one might have some good ones. Not car care, entertainment maybe. Okay, let's find the house category first. Household, there it is. Okay, so we definitely need, okay, we need 10, 11 really for that. But we don't have a 1. Target, yeah, we can just do another 10 for the Target stuff, and then we'll be basically even. We're doing a little girl math here, but that's okay. The point isn't to be like necessarily down to like the cents for me. It's just mostly to get the majority of it back into the bank. Okay, Kittle. We do have some stuff in miscellaneous. We do have some funds here, so 15 for that. I think we can do that. Okay, let's see. If I put 20 here and then do this, then we have 15 that we can pay for that. Perfect. Okay. All right, let's see what else we can pull from the miscellaneous pile, though. Okay, so this was budgeted for. This was budgeted for. Groceries. Apple, $3. Etsy, this was budgeted for. So we need 16 and 3 from somewhere. Maybe I can make change with my wallet. All right, let's just grab the groceries from here. So we have this 50, it's 45. So let's do a 50 here, and let's put this 5 back here. And then let me see if I have change here that I can play with. 4, 5. Okay, perfect. That's a 5. So no, that's 4. What am I talking about? Okay. Let's see. You know what? I think I have maybe some singles in the rainy day fund. Let's go take a look at that. We'll put this back in here. So I really don't want to, if I do too much, I'm going to mess myself up. I just know it. Get out of here. No, it's not. It's in savings. Rainy day. There's some ones. Okay, so what do we need again? Okay, we got groceries. Oops, I used the wrong end of that. Okay, so we need $3 for that Apple, whatever that was. I can't even remember. That's so bad. So we need $3 for that, and then $16.35 for Etsy. Let's see, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What I'm learning is that I just need to have more ones in these envelopes. Oh, I don't even know. Okay, we might just call it a day. I think we're just going to do, I know this is like cheating, but 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think we're just going to put 14 in there, and we will make up the difference because we had 10 to put back into medical. We're going to grab, did I have a 5? Yes. This is so unorganized. I'm so sorry. I'm so bad at this. Okay. We're going to put a 5 back in the medical, and we'll call that even. So it's not an exact science. It's not an exact cash pulling, but we basically did it. There it is. Wellness. Okay, we're going to put that back in there. I don't know. Technically we still owe 10 to that, but we'll pull a few dollars for our Etsy savings from medical, I guess. For our mental health. Right? Does that count? Okay. So that's that. And then we have all of this basically. Let's see if we're kind of breaking even here at least. So let's total all this up and we'll see how much money we have over here. 11 plus 9 plus 40 plus 15 that's budgeted plus 45 plus 3 plus 16. 139. Let's see how much we have here. 51, 120, 130, 135, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have plenty here. So let's put these 3 back in medical. And we'll put these in our little envelope to take to the bank. There it is. Okay, so we'll put this back to the bank. We'll put these back in our medical binder. And we will call that a day. Even though it's not perfect, we're doing better than we were before we were doing the cash envelope system. So that is all that really matters, at least to me. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. That helps my channel grow. Thank you all so much for those of you who have subscribed in the past few days. I think we're at 25 subscribers, which is amazing. I love the community. Being a part of it has been so fun. I love watching y'all's videos. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and I will subscribe back to your channel. We can support each other. I think that would be so fun. And I hope y'all enjoy the rest of your day, whatever you're doing. I hope it's a good one.